Hi guys, how are you? You alright? Right, and today's scratch card, we're going to have something different. We're going to do a couple of top dogs, which everyone likes, and we're going to do a cash drop. I like the cash drop, so let's see how we go. Let's get going. And if you can hear that in the background, that's Em singing in Bath, and she says hello to everybody. Alright guys, here we go. Right, and guys, here we are. We've got the top dog and the cash word. I'm just going to tear these for you guys. There we go. We'll start off looking for Fido. We're looking for Fido and for Duke today. So we'll start off looking for Fido. What do you think? Just zoom in so you can see better. Fido, where are you? Come on. Guys, that's rubbish. That's Ruby. Rubbish, Ruby. Otis, no. Come on, Fido. Raf, not there. Sadie. Molly. Lola. Coco. Isn't that a clown? And no Fido. Sorry, guys. Right. Duke. Let's see if we can find Duke. Okay. Let's have a look. Is he here? No. Fido again. Fido's everywhere. I wanted him last time. I didn't get him. Molly. Luna. Sage. Misty, come on, we want a Duke. Come on. Rover. Do you know what, I watched someone yesterday, or the day before yesterday actually, and they got 4. They had 2 cards and they had 4 on each card. Coco and Otis. No Duke. Boo, rubbish. Right, and guys, we're going to do... make it so you can see it. How's that? Cash word block. Right then, guys, we're after this scratch word is rubbish. K and O. Well, we've got O. We've got K. I like that. 2 on 1. Okay, we've got an O on odd. No K, no O, no K, no O. Rubbish, right, okay. G and P, GP. Well, P and G. No P, no G, no P, no G, no P, no G, no P, no G, no... Oh, we've got a P. There's definitely a P in Pearl. Right, okay. R and L. No R, no L, no R, no L. It's R and L together. That's cool. We've got R in raft. Come on. R and L. We've got R in burst. R in term. Someone's already scratching that. Trust. R in trust. And L. 2 of them in whole. There we go, guys. Let's find some more. Come on. Z, really. Z and N. Z and N. Oh, we've got N in hen. That's rubbish. Okay. Well, they can't all be doing that. H and X. H. H in hen. H. H in hole. Where he? but not an X to be seen. M and A. Oh, I like A. A. Oh, okay, have I? I've scratched that by accident. Sorry, guys. That's been scratched by accident, I have to remember. Right, so it's A and M. A in pearl. M in term. This is rubbish, 20p. Oh, okay, no M, no A, no A, no M. Okay, guys, right then, let's get over here. IV, isn't that something you put in your arm? Guys, no I, no V. Two of them, and none of either. That's rude, isn't it? CB, that's a radio. Well, we've got B and by, but nothing else. CB. CB, 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 CB. That's absolute trash. Right, last letters W and Y. Well, we've got a W in wet, but that's no good. We've got a Y in by, that's no good. W and Y. Guys, it's looking very rubbish. Right, have we got a U? No U. Nope. S? No S. E? No E. T? No T. E? No E. D? No D. Oh, we got A, didn't we? Sorry guys, you'd be shouting at me there. A. Did we get an F? No F. No T. Crikey Moses. No E. No T. Alright, we've got a B, I think. Yes, we did get a B. But, right, it's no use whatsoever. No U, no S. Did we get a U? No, we've got a V. No E, no U, no E, no T, no U, no S, no T. Boo. All right then, guys. Well, we tried, didn't we? We did try. We had two of them and nothing. One of them and nothing. I think all the winning scratch cards are going somewhere else because they're not coming here. But hopefully tomorrow we'll have a big win. Right then, guys, thank you very, very much. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as I say, if any of you got time, please put my playlist on to watch in the background on an old phone or something so I can get it to grow. Because I'm absolutely miles away from my watch hours. But we're getting there. We are getting there. Every day it's going bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And thank you so much. I really do appreciate all your support. Thank you, thank you. See you soon. Bye.